Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to integrate Deepseek with n8n, a powerful automation platform, to create a chat-based AI workflow. We'll set up a simple chat interface that responds using Deepseek's AI model. You'll need an n8n account and a Deepseek API key. Let's get started. First, get your Deepseek API key. Go to platform.deepseek.com, navigate to the API key section, and click Generate API Key. Copy the key and ensure your account has funds, as an unfunded key won't work. Next, set up n8n. Sign up at n8n.io or install it via Docker. Once logged in, go to Credentials, click Create New, search for Deepseek, and paste your API key. Save the credentials to connect Deepseek to n8n. Now, create a new workflow. Click the plus icon to add a node and select When a chat message is received to set up a chat trigger. This creates a chat interface where users can send messages. Add an AI agent node to process messages with Deepseek. Search for Deepseek, select it, and choose your saved credentials. Set the model to chat and leave other settings as default. Connect this node to the chat trigger. Save your workflow, as n8n doesn't autosave. Test it by sending a message in the chat interface. Check the logs to see Deepseek's response, which should appear in seconds, confirming the integration works. You can extend this workflow with other triggers, like a Google form submission, to generate emails using Deepseek. Add a Google Sheets trigger for spreadsheet updates and a Gmail node to send emails, creating a human-in-the-loop verification process. If Deepseek isn't listed in n8n, use the API documentation at platform.deepseek.com, copy the API URL, set the request to post, and manually authenticate with your API key. That's it. You've integrated Deepseek with n8n for a chat-based AI workflow. Try experimenting with other tools like Zoom or Google Chat for more advanced automations. Drop your questions in the comments and have a great day.